Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is about using the question bank of the course that you are handling. Okay, so as an overview, the question bank holds or serves as the repository of all the questions in your course. So to navigate to the question bank, click the cookie button of any of the course that you open. The gear icon, then you go to more. Okay, after clicking more, okay, browse at the bottom, there's the question bank. So this page of question bank, you can see here the created questions already. And then one important thing when using the question bank is the categories. It is a good practice if you categorize the questions that you put in the question bank for easy tracking, and then manageable importing later on in a quiz activity that you are going to create. So first we will create category here. Okay. For example, we will create a category under this course as chapter 1 under the Escuela course. So you have that one. Okay, then click add category. So assuming that this category chapter 1 will hold all the questions about the topic of your course chapter 1. Okay, and then I will another add category, true or false category under the chapter 1. This will allow me to categorize the type of questions and to put these same questions in one category. Okay, after that I will try to add another one just to demonstrate multiple choice, and then that is under chapter 1 also. Okay, click add. Now that we have already two subcategories under chapter 1, okay, that will house the questions under chapter 1. Notice that each category you have the 0 at the end inside the parentheses. That number there, 0, denotes the number of questions found that can be found inside that category. Okay, so first let's go to the true or false subcategory and put a question on it. We can either create a new question, click here the button, and then type in, okay, select the type of questions that you want to use, okay, and then the same process that you have undergone during the training. But this tutorial is not about creating individual question, but is about importing questions also. So we go to import, and then select the GIF format. If you want to know about the GIF format, please watch the video on the discussion about the GIF format. And then on the general, make sure in what category are you importing the questions. So this time we will use the true or false category under chapter 1. Okay, and then in the import questions file, you have to insert here or locate the file that you are going to import. This is the file that you have created wherein your questions are saved in a text file. Okay, on the right side you can see here that I have already prepared save question. Okay, I will drag this one and drag here. Okay, so quiz TF, this contains 10 questions inside of it. Okay, and then click import. As you can see, before you finally import the questions, there's a interpretation first or checking of the file that you have selected. So the system recognized 10 questions from the file you have uploaded or you have dragged. So the 10 questions is preview here, previewed. Okay. If you can see, if in your knowledge that you have created 10 questions inside that text file using the GIF format, and in this stage of importing you only see or saw 9 or 7 or other numbers that do not coincide to the expected number of questions, it meaning there's an error in the formatting of your text file or GIF format file. So all you need to do is to go back, click the back here or select any other link and then edit the file that you have imported there. Try to locate what is the error in the formatting. Okay, so assuming that you have already 10 questions in place here and they are all working or in correct form, click continue, and you can see here the category true or false. From 0 it now becomes 10, and you can see the questions here at the bottom. So on the first row, that if you want to edit certain question, you can simply click edit here, or you can also preview a certain question if you want. Okay, so now that we have already 10 questions here, we will try to import another question on a separate category. Okay, select GIF format. On the general, I will use here multiple choice category. Then I will drag the file here. Okay, and then click import. Okay, as you can see, importing 10 questions. Expectedly, I have 10 questions, although many of it are only duplicate, just to demonstrate of having 10 questions. Okay, click continue. Okay, now you have there 10 multiple choice question inside the category of multiple choice. So that's it now for importing questions, and then you can browse each question if you want, and then per category you can click here chapter 1. You can see chapter 1 here, there's no question under chapter 1, no questions that appear. If you want to see the questions under the subcategories of chapter 1, you can select this one, the search option, also show questions from subcategories there. So you can see all the questions located under the subcategories of chapter 1, even though the chapter 1 category have no questions uploaded on it, but the subcategories have questions under chapter 1. That's why upon checking this one, show questions from subcategories, it allows you to display the questions located the subcategories of chapter 1. So that's it on how to manage questions, or populate or organize your questions in the question bank. Now the question is on how are you going to use this question on your quizzes. That will be for the next tutorial of this video. Was out for the next tutorial. Okay, thank you.